G'day viewers, Phil from SunRise Cars with a croaky throat today. Check this out. It's a beautiful Toyota Hiace wheelchair access vehicle, or a well cab as some people call it. Just come in, and this car is brilliant. We've had a lot of these before. You may have seen a video I've made of these before, because we're selling a lot of these right across Australia. Mainly because it's a brilliant product. And whilst you can get an Aussie made similar sort of a setup, it's not as good. This is the best in the market, and it's priced attractively compared to products in Australia. This can take up to 2 wheelchairs, and it makes a lot of sense. This car has depreciated a lot since it was new. It's only a 2014. It's done only 28,000 Ks. So if you have a look on our website at the price of this vehicle, it just makes sense. It's economically viable, and it's a brilliant business tool if you have an organisation that requires to move people in wheelchairs. This is the best product in the market in Australia. It's a Toyota product, so it's built to last. You can put big Ks on it, and it's built tough. We've never had one break down, apart from in the case of misuse that can break anything. Parts are available, and we can have these certified to various levels. So if you're working for a government organisation, we can get you an engineer certificate if required. Not all applications require an engineer certificate, and the car does come with an Australian compliance plate on it as a well cab vehicle, so it meets Australian standards as a well cab vehicle. So as I said, this is a 2014 with just 28,000 Ks. It's like a brand new car, and if you know Toyotas, they just don't break. It's a non-smoker's car. It's in close to perfect condition. Double airbags, air conditioning front and back. You've got the big opera windows in the back. When you open the door, a cut-out step comes out to assist you with your manoeuvring. If you want to get in and out easily, this folds. Oops, hang on, pull the button here. Easy to get in and out. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-seater plus a wheelchair or 2. You can fit up to 2 wheelchair occupants in this car. It doesn't work as a taxi, but if you're working for a government organisation, school runs, or a business with elderly people or people in wheelchairs, we can get a very high level engineer's certification to come with the vehicle if you require it. If not, you can drive it away as is with its Australian compliance plate. And this one is the economical one. If you are running a business, it's the one you want. It's a 2-litre petrol, and it runs on the smell of an oily rag. And whilst this looks like a large vehicle in terms of height, which it is, in terms of length, this is the same length as a normal car. So if we park this taxi, for example, next to this car, they're the same length. So this is easy to park and easy to manoeuvre. You do not require a bus driver's license or any special heavy vehicle license. Anyone with a license can drive this car. Don't know what else to say really. It's got opening windows on the side. You can see these little aerodynamic squares here. They slide open if you want fresh air. So it's a very comfortable vehicle. It's very utilitarian, very practical. If you like what you see, give us a call at SunRise Cars /Edward Lees. Our number is 02 9744 0539. That's my ugly mug there if you want to come and say g'day. Bit of a croaky voice today. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.